Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive right into building a job application tracker using Airtable. This is a game changer for those of you juggling multiple job applications and needing a clear system to keep track. First things first, open up Airtable and create a new base. We're starting from scratch here because this gives us full control over the customization. A base is essentially your database where all the magic happens. Now that we've done that, let's create our first table. Name this Jobs. This is where you'll be keeping track of all the job positions you're applying to. The reason we do this is to have a centralized location for all our job-related information. Let me explain why this matters. Each record in this table will represent a job you've applied for. So, let's add the following fields: company, position, application date, status, and notes. This helps us because we can customize these fields to suit our specific needs. Next up, we'll create a second table titled Contacts. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This table allows us to link the people we communicate with to the jobs we're applying for. Add fields such as name, company, email, and phone. Then, we'll link these two tables together. Go back to the Jobs table, add a new field, and select the link to another record field type. Choose the Contacts table. This step is crucial as it allows you to see which contact is related to which job application. Finally, let's make our tracker visually appealing and more functional by adding views. Create a Kanban view based on your status field. This will give you a clear visual of where each application stands in the hiring process. And voila, you've just built a job application tracker in Airtable. This is going to revolutionize how you manage your job search. Remember, the key is to keep updating your tracker to make the most out of it. Happy job hunting, and see you in the next tutorial.